Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to link your Steam account to your World of Warships. There are two ways on how to do this. First is open up Steam and look for World of Warships here. Click on World of Warships and install it from Steam. Once you've done that, just wait for it to install, and then it will open up a window in logging in. When the game starts, it will ask you to log in or create an account. Choose log in with an existing account and enter your Wargaming account, email, and password. After logging in, Steam will automatically link your World of Warships account to your Steam account. Once that's done, all your progress, ships, and purchases will carry over. The second method is through the wargaming.net website or the official World of Warships website. Once you're here on the wargaming.net or the World of Warships official website, log in, and once you have logged in, click on your profile, which is here on the top right corner. Click on that and then click on account management. And then once you're here, you can see that you could, in this section, you can link your account to Steam. Click on that. Then after clicking that, sign in with your Steam and then confirm your selection. Quick reminder, you can only link one Wargaming account to a Steam account, and changing accounts later can have restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully linked your World of Warships account to Steam.